get it. Let's get it. Yo, the wrist god, man. The wrist god, yo, he got to teach me something. I want to see what he about.
8 seconds, you win $200. So I'm gonna ride it, bro. Is it hard though? Have you did it?
Say hey to my smell.
What's up with it, smell?
I'm just that fan.
What's up with it? Have you did it before?
Have I done it? I'm just the assistant. I'm just covering for the boss today.
Can you give me change for 20 for one ride?
Here you go. I'm a little nervous, so you gotta.
I need your sign right here.
Right here?
Yep.
D.
Hey,
Deep.
not the hell out of it.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name's Duke.
Duke, calling him D-Block apparently.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Going for the $200 challenge. On camera, on.
Bro, I hate that. Yo, I don't know what it is, but they, this dude has got too much fucking sauce. Like, I hate it. I'm not a hater, but like, I'm not trying to sound like I'm dick rotten, but bro, like, he get hoes like easy, mad easy. Like, they literally come to him fiending, like, oh, come here, come here. I'm like, yo, he's so handsome, you handsome. Like, damn, like, get off his dick, like damn, like, shit. Well, I know he love it though.
Oh.
Fuck, I forgot. I'm about to do some nasty shit, but alright, it is what it is.
It's gonna be on YouTube. Sir, you gotta get on there and find out for yourself. Get on up there, D. Hey, little babe. Don't you... Alrighty, now, young man, 8 seconds, one hand only. Can't touch or grab the bull. Oh, he ain't smiling no more. You ready? All those dumb bull rules. Here we go.
He about to be dripped.
We got D. We got Willie. We got Willie. We got D. Oh, man.
Damn.
That was 6.7 seconds, sir. I think we got a phone somewhere Willie took. Now he'll get it on his way, sir. That's a secondary phone. I can tell what it is.
No.
Don't forget the trap phone, D.
Dude.
Have a good one, sir. Thank you so much. Well, going to be on YouTube now.
Really ride that motherfucker. You going there, bro?
Honey says he's got to help his friends get those seats. More teeth and gold.
All right, bro. Go ahead, bro.
All right, Davo.
Don't. Hey, it's one
8
hand,
seconds,
though.
one hand.
one
Don't
hand,
touch
that
or
motherfucker.
grab the bull, sir. Let me get myself ready. You ready? Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
Oh, no.
Yo.
Davo, no. 4 seconds flat, sir.
Hey, they,
But
Nah,
you
bro,
did
they
look great.
I know they put it easy, make it easy on the girls. I know they make it easy on the girls.
Well, my picture got messed up.
we can be do that,
Yo,
though.
let me get the code. Get the code. Okay.
Hold on. Is that you?
Yeah, right now. Which one you looking at?
8 seconds, sir. Getting close, too close. Willie shaking. Good job.
What you think, man? Think I should do it again, man? That's $10,
Hey,
though.
it's a scam, ain't gonna lie. Hey, shit, you got it. Shit, you got it.
No, I ain't got it. I really want to do it. You gotta think it's a profit, though. You gotta think it's a profit. I done spent 20. If I spend 30, that's a goddamn $107 profit. Oh, okay.
What?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
D-Block. Coming back on stage. Mighty D-Block.
Yo. Oh, yeah. Let's get it.
Tell me when you're ready. You ready?
Hey, just don't flip me that
You
way.
sure you're ready?
Yeah.
Ready, here we go. Oh,
Yo.
he left you.
Got his ass like him.
We love and appreciate you, sir. Don't forget the trap phone. I think one went that way. Don't forget the sneakers.
Yo. Mr. Dennis, come on,
He
man.
wanted to make sure the kicks got
Nah, that
shown
shit
to
low-key hard as fuck.
Damn, what?
Fuck in the mic.
2 hands though, I get that though. Easy. 2 hands, I get that easy. Like she really cheated me though, like type shit. That's all. I ain't tripping. Man, you think I'm tripping, man, on some shit like that, man? I'm tripping though. What you say, bro?
Bro, you got me all the girls. You got me all the Riz, I swear.
You ain't got no
You the Riz guy.
Hey,
Bro,
bro, hey, I put all the girls just doing this.
Yo, they sucking his dick crazy. Yo. Look, yo, oh my god, you get all the girls, Yo, I'm munching right now. Sucky, take it easy, buddy. Relax. Take it easy, man. You're a little excited. Take it easy. PK, no worries, man. Take it easy, bro. Race trap phone down week. Take it easy, PK. See you soon, man. Take it easy. Wait, don't forget to join the Discord, bro. Take it easy.
All of them. I gotta go. Bro, I'm dead serious. You got me all the girls. Where it go? Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail? Please? Your Gmail, please? Can I do an interview with you?
Interview?
Yeah.
Duck on your today. He on the duck on your video.
Great.
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
What?
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
I ain't had. Hold on, how old you is, man?
15.
Nope.
Oh!
No. Hey, you don't need to be talking about that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying?
How's she gonna come up? She just can't do it. She forced him into it. Like, and she 15. What the fuck? She don't know nothing. She don't need to worry about none of that.
Real quick. All right, hold on. Yo, for going up, ain't it? I ain't used one of these.
boy?
What's up, bro? What's up? Shit. I ain't used one of these. Oh, but look though, no account, right? Look who third.
Okay.
Look who third. No account now. Yes, sir. Look who third.
Oh my.
Hey, hold on. But that boy Duke did it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. That boy Duke did it.
Yo, why you make that face?
But hell yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe though. Duke did it, man.
Y'all are a gang of beautiful men.
Damn. You beautiful.
I know, but I just needed to be amongst.
That's cocky. She's too cocky. I know. See, humble yourself. She got to humble herself.
Beautiful men.
Oh yeah?
No, but I just needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
Ooh.
Oh yeah?
No,
Too bad you ain't looking for a boyfriend right now.
you guys don't.
Oh, you want my...
Smile.
Open up your IG. You know what?
Oh, she
I would
nasty.
give you my number, but I don't give my number out like
You
that.
don't have to.
Yeah.
I don't either.
Oh yeah?
No.
She nasty.
What's your name?
Hold on.
She nasty.
Cigarette crazy.
Nah, cigarette is crazy. Oh.
Oh shit!
Wait, what the fuck happened?
Oh shit!
I didn't see that coming.
Holy shit. Got him. Everyone saw that I got him, right?
I'm
Okay.
like, I was
Come back.
And then
Where'd he go?
I'm so
Hey man, y'all done dropped the fucking cat, man.
How you do?
Well, you know you look like what? Yup.
Yo.
Yeah. Okay, do you have a boyfriend? That's all y'all been on each other. Really?
I don't. Next. Next question.
You looking for one?
No.
Okay, then that's a great question. You looking to get? Are you looking to get to know somebody though? Oh yeah.
I'm just chilling right now.
Ready to go home?
Ready to go home.
I like your. I mean to be leaning on you.
No, you have all, so she get right away.
I know.
She get it right away because she got heels on.
Listen, I can have your number, man.
What's your name?
Yo, listen.
803.
Yo. He's doing this effortlessly. Oh my god. It's not fair. It's not fair. How you can't keep getting away with this? Oh my god, bro. Come on.
Y'all know who the fuck this is? Tight shit, baby.
Oh, he drunk.
Hey, man. I need to drop the Hellcat.
Cut it, man. Cut it, man.
Yeah, cut it.
Cut this nigga, man.
Tight shit.
Yo, what is what?
Cut it, man. Cut this nigga.
I need to drop the Hellcat.
Cut it, man. Cut it, man. Cut this nigga, man.
Tight shit. Yo.
What the fuck? Why the fuck did Justin Bieber just jump in and fucking? Yo, let me stop, bro. What the fuck you deep like, yo, bro, get the fuck out of
My boy. Hey. Tight shit. Too many fiends.
Hey.
Little ready.
Go tell my boy Big D about shit, man.
Big D block. Oh, I ain't finna pull that out, but you know what's going on. Whole lot of D block.
You know what's going on? You know what's going on? You know, I know he did a voice change since the dude was right there, bro. You know what's going on? You know what's going on? Fuck out of here.
So funny, man. I got a whole ass flip on.
Hold on. Don't laugh at my dog, though.
I told him I'm in between phones right now.
Can we take a picture together?
Yeah.
Come here, man.
Ooh.
What's up, man? My name Duke. What's yours? Hey, hold on. I really would get your number, but I ain't even know.
You can't have my number. I want you in the
Hold on. I got 2 jobs.
I got 2 jobs too.
Yeah.
That's what I found.
You got my this count. You chat right now, man.
Yeah, you see the fuck. I'm that serious.
Oh.
I'm a mama. I'm a daughter.
Oh, yeah? And you know, I really love this blue on you, though. Fuck you. Fuck him or fuck me?
Yeah, fuck blue.
Oh, fuck. Man.
My favorite color red.
What's up, man? Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man.
Oh, damn. Because they've been
Let me get your number, man.
You got a flip phone? I bet you dead.
You motherfucker.
That's some
Yo.
bullshit.
What's up? What's up with you, son? What's up with you? How you doing?
The old man ain't doing well.
Why you say that?
Ain't good to be in the streets, man. I'm talking to the kings now.
Of course.
Oh
Me
shit.
and my wife sitting right over there. I've been sitting there for the last 3 to 4 days.
Oh, yeah?
We
I got about-
every damn dime we can get.
I got about 40. Hey, I got $40 for you right here, young sir.
See,
Hey,
that's
look,
a
I know it
blessing.
ain't much, but hey, look, that's an investment right
Yo.
there. It's an investment right there.
Wait a minute. How old do you think I am, young man?
Oh my god, see. Shit like this pisses me off, bro. I'm not gonna lie. When people ask for like money and shit, like I really think about it like, bro, like he said they were just sitting there for 4 days, like 3-4 days, bro. Like in the 3-4 days that you was there, you didn't think to look to go places. Are they hiring? Like do shit like that, like you know what I'm saying? Like, but you go up to just people talking, like I don't know. I don't like that. I really don't like that. And the way he's dressed, nah, bro. Like, it doesn't look like... His shirt looks fresh. Like, his shit look fresh, bro. I'm not gonna cap. Like, I'm... No.
51, 52.
Never see that again.
Huh?
I was born April 24th, 1940.
40.
Whoa.
Damn, you about 73.
Hey,
82.
82.
Whoa.
You look good as fuck, boy. You look good.
Hey, yo, dude. Chill out, gang. Chill out, bro. Hey, yo, chill, bro.
You're 90? Don't break my shit, man. What do you mean?
Boy, that's cap. Boy, you look too good to be 80-something, man.
My youngest child is
You gonna be
34.
right here?
My oldest
Okay.
is 53.
If you 80-something, man.
Wait, so why the fuck... He got 2 kids, right? So why he not... If they know where to stay, why he not with his kids? Bro, like... See, bro, I might sound like an asshole, but like at the end of the day, I'm really trying to like make shit make sense. You see what I'm saying? Like he just pointed out he got 2 kids. He's 82 years old. It's kind of hard for them to work and shit. So I would assume. But why would you not talk to one of your 2 children, hey, we don't got no stay. Can we stay here so we figure some shit out? You know what I'm saying? Like, see, shit like that be confusing the fuck out of me, bro. I be like, yo, bro, what are you talking about?
Man, I would be blessed to look like you when I get 80 something.
Yeah,
You look good, boy. I'm telling you, man, you look good. Hey. Ghetto, like, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like, this would be a good advice point of view. We just chatting, man.
That's a good angle.
Yeah, like, nigga, goddamn, so boom, nigga, I'm texting her phone, nigga, she ain't answering. It's 3 in the morning. But she was just on IG Live. And goddamn, it said she was acting. I seen the green bubble beside her. Nigga, bitch texted me earlier the next morning talking about I fell asleep. Bitch! You fella.
Yo, I can't wait to go to fucking Atlanta. I can't wait to be in Atlanta, bro. I can't wait, bro. I feel like my voice, yo, I'm gonna be there for damn near a week. My voice gonna sound complete. My voice about to sound like some shit, bro. Fiending. Effortless.
My goddamn photo. When she seen that curve, though, she done got that curve. This nigga cute.
Hold on.
Turn to the left.
They had some bitches over here last night. The bitch done went through his phone and seen the dick pic.
Oh, what the
This is Blankos.
Hold up.
The free-to-play multiplayer game where you can unlock, earn, and sell NFTs in-game. In Blankos, it pays to play, literally. You can choose to sell your Blankos on the Mythical Marketplace or build an epic collection of iconic designs by the world's most talented artists. Play Blankos your way. Go on solo quests or team up with your friends. Join the party now. Download and play free at Blankos.com.
Woo! Call me Flash Gordon because I'm flashing, you know what I'm saying? I thought oh, that's so sus.
Bitch was ready to stay in.
She was. hey, I can vouch for that, man. She was not trying to leave after that right there, man. And get what she told her friends, Q. Y'all can go. I got my own car. Yeah, she said, y'all can go. I got my own car. Whole time I'm wondering, damn, Q risen her ass up. Wrong. She seen a dick pic in his phone.
Damn.
Hey, I was reasoning though, like the whole time I'm talking to her and shit. And then she went through my phone on her own shit. So I'm like, oh well, shit, bitch. Whole time I was expecting her to see the dick pic, but I'm like, why is she goddamn going through my phone like my messages and then the bitch talking about, oh, you sell weed, all type of shit. I was like,
yo, bro. See, dude, this nigga dude, bro. He famous. Let me stop. He famous, but like he still hood as fuck. Like he still rap D Block heavy, still pull up, do shit like that. Like still rock with niggas who they be selling weed and shit. Like, bro, he's still a trapper at heart, like type shit. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Alright, bro, this nigga, bro, hold on, bro. What the fuck, bro? Bro, this nigga said my heartbeat was going through my dick one day, so I recorded it and sent it to him.
What?
Oh my God! Boy, do y'all know how much of a straight face this nigga just had? That.
No way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. What you doing?
What's up with you, my boy?
Oh, shit. Yes, sir. That boy, dude.
Yo, see?
Hey, that nigga Duke out here. Hey, ain't no way, boy.
I still good. You know what? You still good too, though.
Ooh. Bro.
Hey, look. I ain't too young. I'm letting you know. I ain't no youngin' out here. I ain't too far.
Oh, she 40.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, you better go ahead and hold me.
Yo, he about to pull grandma. Grandma. It's not fair, bro. It's not fucking fair. Oh, yo, I swear, bro. I be saying it all the time, bro. I swear, yo, the Lord knew not to make me 6 foot something, bro. If you made me 6'1", 6'2", I'd be very ignorant. I'd be very ignorant. Like not ignorant, but like in a very, I'd be very confident. Like I'm already confident in myself. I'm not 6 foot, but like, bro, like, bro, I don't know. It's just, fuck. I still get bitches though. So it don't.
Oh man.
Yes, you're certified.
Yes, man.
What are you looking for?
My phone.
Yo, he about to.
What's your name though? Mo?
Yo, she
My name
full.
Duke.
So bad. That's my nephew.
Look, I'm 28.
Oh, is he recording this? Hey.
Whatever.
What else?
Well, he got my number.
No. Hey, you know what? Y'all definitely. You know what? Really? No.
Yo, see, that's one thing. That's another thing, bro. Like, bro, I'm not gonna lie. That's one thing. I don't know how it would feel with people just coming up to me and recording me, bro. I don't know how I would feel with that. Like, I don't know how I would feel about that. Like, people just come up and just like, oh my God! And I'm like, I'll be like, yo, get that shit the fuck out my face, bro. Like I'll be like, yo, you take a picture, but like, you just recording me in my fucking face. Like, the way he was pointing, like, he was being mad nice, but he was just pointing and he's like, yo, like, just put it down real quick. Like, cause he's just trying to flex the number. Like, now you just broadcasting his shit. Like, come on.
You gonna let him run his wrist on the arm? He's running his on the arm. He's running his on the arm.
See, yo, like, she wildin', bro. Like, why would you do that? Why the fuck would? That's fucking weird, bro. Like, that shit. Like, bro, look how tight that nigga look, bro. Like, bro, like, that's mad corny, bro. Like, don't record me. Like, you see what I'm doing? Like, see that shit. All right, bro. I'm talking too much.
You want to take a picture? Hold on. You see right here? Oh, you got an Android.
Oh,
no. Look, I'm gonna test you. This is me right here. See, you hear me? This is me right here. My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am. You too.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the AMP crew at?
Oh, God, you ain't have to.
Yeah, come on, take a picture right now.
Oh my.
What's your name?
Oh my God, am I
Oh my God.
Oh my God, your pizza free. I'm Victoria.
Victoria.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all from out here though?
No, we from Virginia.
Y'all drove all what? About 6 hours?
4.
Yeah, I heard 6 hours a day, man.
6. Well, it depends on what part. I'm from Southern Virginia.
Oh yeah.
So that kind of
Okay.
Bro, literally taking pictures with Bear Gallen. Like,
oh my God,
Hey, don't do. Matter of fact, hey, come here, man. Get your number or something, man.
oh my God.
Get your number or something, man. With this right here, right here.
What?
Oh, what? You gonna?
I'm sorry. I don't
Yo.
care.
Yeah,
Is that
okay.
phone? I don't care.
Yeah,
It
okay.
doesn't matter to me. Dude, that's not your phone. That's not your phone.
She said, I don't. Yo, she said, just put it in my phone. I'm like, yo. These fucking bitches, bro. I swear to God, bro. Like, he does nothing. Like, he really just, he a handsome motherfucker. And that's the problem. Like, he's like 6'1", 6'2". Like, bro. He does nothing. And just theme it.
Here, right here.
What?
Oh, what? You gonna do?
I'm sorry.
I don't worry. I don't care.
Is that phone? I don't care.
I don't
Yeah,
care.
It
okay.
doesn't matter to me. Dude, that's not your phone.
Yo, like, she got the googly eyes. No, she got those like, put in my phone. Like, get the fuck, yo. Fuck out of here, nigga.
I know my number by heart.
Did the flip phone really work? That's not even C.
Oh, no. See, that's my, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I was just making
Yeah,
sure.
I was about to say that.
Because I pulled, it was dead. So like I had to, I don't know, shit, I got my other phone with me type shit.
Yep, my brother first.
Yo, bro.
That's why I was there cool this morning. Hey, nice to meet y'all, man. Y'all have a good night.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. You have a great night, too. Yes, ma'am.
Yo.
Yep, see, I told you.
Yo, bro, but
It's gonna
see.
work, man.
I sound mad fucking gay. John, fuck you. Yo, bro, like, but it's true. You do not fucking pay attention to this shit. Not pay attention to this shit, John. Fuck you, John. Fuck you mean. Bro, fuck out of here. This, bro, he just flexing. I don't give a fuck. Like, you're not paying attention to the bullshit. Fuck you, John.
You see, hey, it was dead at first, and I was like, type shit, it's gonna work, so this still count, low key.
Bro, that motherfucking bullshit. You hear me? No, we not.
See, he back with old girl. He back with old girl.
Raleigh, man. Come on, WGN shit. We from the Bull City, Durham, North Carolina. You hear me? No cap.
Well, that's a hard shirt right there. My butt got a shirt.
Wait, where is he
this
right now?
This nigga got a Koski collared shirt on. That motherfucker hard, man. Yeah, I ain't nobody. I just bought the camera. That's good.
Oh, he's somebody. I don't know who is everybody.
Oh, you got your video. Oh, you sensitive right now, my boy? You feeling sensitive right now, my boy?
I don't know him, but I want to be like.
Yeah, nah, I just bought the camera because I know
Okay, so you do
motherfuckers like the
YouTube.
camera.
What kind of like videos you do?
Shit, I just started like last month.
What you do though? Like them videos they be like, hey, you cheating on your
No. I just be doing random shit.
Oh, like what though?
Whatever I want to do.
What funny you tell me?
Like if I want to go ride a horse or some shit, then I'll do
let's
that.
go ride a horse.
Where you from though?
Imagine if you had 50 plus sample packs worth of high quality industry ready samples.
Virginia.
See, what the fuck is what's up with everybody being from Virginia? Like,
nah, bro, John, I be playing with you, bro. You my boy. You know I be playing with you, man. So love on this side, bro. I be playing with you, bro. I told you, shit be getting toxic in here sometimes. You be getting toxic sometimes.
What the fuck you got there?
My boy. That's love right there. That's love right there. Fuck you too. Oh wait, no.
What the fuck you got there? You finna hit me with them.
Oh.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
Alright, fuck that. What's your number? Let me see.
Yo.
Dude, I wanna talk about my person. I don't know. Shit, let me see. I'm being real. I ain't want to.
See.
I wanna know who you is.
And I'm trying to get to know.
Alright, come on. Let me see the track. Fuck it.
Yeah, what's your, I'll get it after.
Bro, they love him. They love him.
Oh, real tight. Okay, I got you. I'm already knowing with this shit going.
Bro, they love him. They love.
I need my TikTok to blow up.
Excuse me? You are too. What's your name? Jay?
Oh, we already.
Nice to meet you.
Yo, she said, I need my TikTok to blow up. I'm fucking screaming.
Columbia. I'm from Greenville, man. I fuck with your hair, man. I've been trying to find Dabo the whole time, man. I'm trying to find Dabo. Where the fuck the nigga at, man?
Real. Everybody knows that.
So why you come up to me on it? Know what I'm saying?
I just wanted to.
Oh yeah, man. Don't pull up to me, man. You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
Ready? I wouldn't let her talk to you like that, man.
Personally, I would let.
Personally, no, I'm talking to my dog. Me personally, I won't let nobody talk to me like that. I'm just saying, me personally, I won't let shit like that go down. But then again, like that ain't me, and that ain't none of my business really.
Got me running down the fucking beach. Wait, no motherfucker. Look at the picture. Let's take a picture though. All right, come on. No cap. I'm over
Bro,
here.
like.
Deja. Yeah, you right. You damn right. Wait, no motherfucking way. Say mama. North Carolina.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yo, fiending.
Big dog.
Fiending.
Hey, why don't you come get this motherfucker from me? Stop motherfucking playing with me. Stop motherfucking.
Wherever North Carolina, wherever you from, I want to be from the same motherfucking place, man. You do? I want to be from the same place, man.
Yo. Bro, they love. He's one man. He's one guy, bro. Why is it like this? It's not fair. Oh my. They're just eaters. They're just eating him up. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro.
That's my nigga right here. Come take it from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, you know what?
Yo.
Take him from me.
Fiending. Fiending.
Yo, we together.
Fiending.
Come take him from me.
What's today?
Come take him from me. Come take him from me. Back at me.
Yo.
Our anniversary is May 28th.
May 28th.
Our anniversary.
Yo.
Boy, ain't no motherfucking way, boy.
That's our anniversary right there, man.
Hey. I told these hoes that's my nigga.
Yo. He's the wrist god, bro. I can't say nothing to him.
Yo.
About time, we got been looking for y'all, boy. What we got stepped on?
Everybody be like, what the fuck do you I'm like, that nigga do it here.
I like your performance. I love it.
Bro. Unlimited wrist. Oh my god.
I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker move. I ain't gonna lie.
That motherfucker moving.
Yeah, that motherfucker moving, fellas.
Bro, effortless.
You say hey, my little.
How y'all doing?
Yeah, for sure.
They scared. I ain't scared.
Oh yeah, I'm already knowing you ain't scared. Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Fellas, look, I swear to God, fellas. Hey, she got no drawers on. I can feel it. I can feel.
Oh my God.
Right here, like she ain't got no drawers on, fellas.
I can't fathom this anymore. He does nothing. Bro, I'm so impressed. I'm literally, I don't know what to say. I'm honestly, I literally am impressed. I can't be mad. I cannot be mad at this because yo, bro, no. How the fuck? Fuck, god damn it. God fucking damn it. Son of a bitch.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing the same motherfucking thing all day.
Hold on, what we on YouTube? What we talking about?
I don't know what the fuck you talking
Damn,
about.
I ain't got no diamonds and shit like he do. Damn, what we on YouTube?
Yeah, you going on there? Say something right now.
Damn, bro.
Damn, fumble.
Hey, shout
They
out
eat
to
us.
man. Yeah, we got this bitch with goddamn Duke, man. We got to turn up on the trip.
Hey, no, I do got something.
I'm telling you. Hey, look. Hey, listen. Since the governor of Florida is my daddy, I'm putting it on camera. Come here. Hey, look. Free gas card whenever you go to Florida. All right?
Yo.
What's your name? John? Hey, congratulations. Free gas card.
I can't run across the shit. I'm over there. I saw that. He got us from here. Bye. I'm sorry I went right now. You already know I was coming for him. Thank you. I know I look bad right now, but one day we're going to get married. I promise.
One day we gonna get. Yo,
I love you so much.
yo, I love you.
Like, you're really my wallpaper.
Oh my gosh. Bro, like, even the. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 women. 6 women. 6 women. Fiending. It's one man. You all can't have him. You need to understand that. He's one guy. He's one guy. Oh my God. You know, I just can't. I'm just over it. You know what? I just can't do it. I just, you know, honestly, I don't know what calculations he does to allow for this ratio to be accumulated, but it's insane. It's insanity. You know what I mean? Like, how do you allow this shit happen? It's like, what? How? We move.
I don't know what's going on right now.
Bro.
I did that. But hey, appreciate y'all.
Bro.
Yeah, I want you in too, though.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Hey, you know what's funny? He'd probably pipe all of them if he wanted to, one by one, and they wouldn't have a problem with it. I'm jacking it. I don't care. I'm jacking it.
Nice to meet you, Miss Deborah. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I'll get you first and then back.
Yeah.
Hit you up on Facebook, Deborah B. Jones.
Grandma, even grandma wanted. Even grandma want a fucking slice. Even grandma want a slice. Even granny want a slice.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get it? You
Excuse me.
Yeah. My bad, I was bored. All right, man. My bad, man.
That shit made me.
This shit right here is gonna be a bang. Hey, now you good? That jersey,
bro.
Yeah. Are we right here?
Appreciate that, bro.
Appreciate that, bro. What we want? Hell nah.
Hey, yo.
Hey, man, I done seen you hit the flip before. I see you tomorrow. We gonna hit one of them.
Oh yeah? I ain't even gonna be here tomorrow, gang. So hold on, you can bet, man?
What's up?
You can.
What's up?
Oh God.
Oh, yeah.
You got a slide right now.
I'll take the slides up. You take it right now.
Oh God.
You gotta do that shit with me.
No.
Do that for you?
Yeah.
No, yes, I ain't
No.
What's up?
Yeah, I just want to.
I bust my ass in front of all these people. I still don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. What you want to hear?
What he about to do?
Whatever you feel most comfortable with. So, hey, my dog is finna do.
Only because I seen him do that shit on the video.
Oh yeah. Tight shit.
On the football shit. And this shit slippery. If I bust my ass, I don't give a fuck. Hey, yo, I can do that.
Hold on. Take off your hat, bro. Oh, your shit look good.
This shit ain't going nowhere,
Oh, that was crispy.
What's up?
Do that shit.
I will hold it. Clear the street.
Wait, what he about to do? He about to do the backflip too? Them shoes look heavy as fuck. Oh.
What is that, boy? Is the top? Yes, it is. No.
What is it? 0100?
I didn't know what the fuck you was talking about, though. But it's a 24-hour fight.
What's going on right here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you taking pictures? Yeah. That display of Riz, it's obscene. That I'm dick riding? How I'm dick riding? How I'm dick riding? How I'm dick riding? You just saw all them dick riding him, but I'm the one that was like, oh, boom, type shit. You know what I'm saying? I was like, oh, you know, they sucking him right now, but I'm dick riding. I'm a dick rider now. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Mwah, nigga. I'll give you a kiss, nigga. Mwah. Nigga, never. If I'm dick riding, I'm dick riding. I don't give a fuck. He get bitches, nigga. I don't care. Niggas and bitches was dick riding him. I don't give a fuck. Give a fuck, nigga. Give a fuck about none of that shit. Give a fuck about none of that shit. Give a fuck about none of that shit. Stop playing with me. He get bitches. He get bitches and niggas. I mean, well, he not gay, but like, you know what I'm saying? He get niggas too, because niggas on his dick too. So, yeah. But, yeah. Riz God.